up, guys? So today we came down to Smits. Haven't been here in ages. It is looking absolutely gorgeous. Ja, sit hier dan sê. Ek het vir my twee sissies omgebring en obviously vir Jessica. So daar op 'n klip in die agterkant. En ja, ons gaan nou 'n bietjie gaskannetjies saamgebring en kos, lekker worsies saamgebring. Gaan lekker gaar maak, lekker chill en gaan vir 'n duik session. Hopefully we shoot something and then we have something else to dry in the pan, which would be delightful because the last time we were here I shot a nice butterfish. Cooked it up in the pan with some like a baie water. It was exquisite, extremely delicious. But anyway, yeah, gonna have some coffee now and enjoy the rest of the morning. Twee lepeltjes. Wat kan ik hier? Ja, oké, dat is recht. Lief is een keer koffie? Nee. Zet weer 6 stop. En stop. Zo.
I need another one, honestly.
Nom.
Based on the sugar though.
Just to get a bit more mix at the bottom. Yeah. Awesome. What an awesome day. Huh? Ben je leed samen kom je eens te zien?
Ja, ik is nog awesome.
Let's go. Ook dat is sterk.
Ja, ben je goed gedaan?
Eet er.
Jij die rechte in dan. Jy nie myne dalk nie.
Nou ons het die 3, ons het evenveel ingepak.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind's at?
Ja, nog een fles.
I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you, go slow.
That was an awesome dive. The viz was quite decent, not the best. It was really nice. I am not sure if I got the footage of me shooting the fish, really hope it's out there. Also, I've seen this very cool. I got two nice fish though, one judgeaw and one beautiful hottie. This being the judgeaw and this being the hottie. Oh, perfect. Very nice eating fish, this one. Yeah, so ons gaan dalk na die judgeaw gaan maak en dan yeah, we're just gonna enjoy it over here. Put some borsches like I said earlier, and yeah, it's gonna make a lekker breakie.
You can still kind of see it, but I couldn't see it. Okay, maybe because it was my eyesight. Yeah, with my eyesight, I couldn't see clearly. Because when Philip goes down, I could see his blue flippers, but I could just see his blue flippers.
Yes, and that's what I focus on. I make sure that we can see at least each other.
Yeah, whenever he goes underneath the cave, I look at him and I meet him on the other side, and I make sure he comes out. I was on the fucking stress.
Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, oh, oh.
Wil je recht of vandaag?
Ja?
Wat is het voor zoet?
Judgeaw.
Van
Bouwel, Kraakfontein en dan Cape Town.
Wat is dat? Ja, lekker dansen. Hij staat hier heel veel kleiner. En dan is het klein. Dan staan het in. Wat is het steeds. En dan
Yeah, so okay, let's make me like a judgeaw gehad. Yeah, super excited. Ik heb het lekker proeven. Yeah, looks quite delicious.
I don't know, wij say shaker bootjes wat hij bij zijn vrouw gekregen heeft.
Lift it like a normal thing, don't lose it.
Zo'n klein fucking paper grindertjes wat Jessica gekregen. Kakkerlijk. Even een salt one. Sea salt. Stop dat ik niet te veel zout moet krijgen.
Ja, net zo.
Hij is al klaar zout van die CEO.
Oké, taste.
Ik vind jullie een met de minste zout en peper op.
Oh, but it's okay.
Is dat recht?
Yeah, that's nice. En kom krijg je wel een stukje. Kom even een stukje, Lona.
Kan ons die ver krijgen?
No, you think it's
Oké, cool.
Daar gaan we met bloed
it's hot though, eh?
Het is voor YouTube niks, zeg maar.
Oh, lekker.
Dat is wel lekker.
It's actually quite nice. It's very fatty.
Is nog geen iets wat ik...
Ja, maar het kan ook die boter wees wat die gebruiken.
Nee, dit is iets anders dan. Oh, wow. So lekker. Yum. Hopefully we can bring that other hottie I shot, and yeah, tonight at home. It's gonna be pretty nice. Damn, alles geld van die visselklammen weg.
Ik zie zo, als ik in die water kom, gaan ik...
Yeah. And then it's gonna be just as nice. Gonna put that on a little snaky bread with some like wat die tomatensaus nog voor. Ja, een beetje tomatensaus, ja. What an epic day. Oh, dat was flippend lekker geweest. Waar aan mijn mond. Waar aan mijn mond. Het beste gedeelte van die dag was definitely heel onder in die water gaan liggen op die bodem. Dan kan je die walvissen zo niet ver door. Epic. Maar ja, dan hoor je die walvissen zo niet ver en absolutely beautiful. Crazy. Ja? Maar ja, crazy cool. Super dankbaar. Next is dat.
Hoi.
Ja. Oeh, ook. Maar gaan we zo naar die Smitswinkel hike terug gaan toe. Big challenge. This climb / walk up never ceases to be easy. I mean, not easy. Vooral met die rug, dat is vol goed en alles. So tiring. Maar deze kom ik te zien en finally, zit hier in die casuals en zit hier heel achter. Love it. Oeh, let's go Sasa! Ooh, finally! She made it! Yeah.
12-hour later.
Beautiful view though. Ik moet net even skielik gaan liggen, die boa, great.
Volgens
So
dit is amper dood.
Ja, volgens is amper weg al, ja, maar damn, just look at that gorgeous view. Holy shit. Stuff dreams are made of. Thank guys voor nog een awesome video. Ik zie jullie in de volgende